Jess?
Ty?
What are you guys doing here?
I was checking up on Jimmy, an old client of mine.
And La Katrina wanted a rematch.
This girl from League 73 called me.
Set up.
Navarro.
Copy that.
Whoa, whoa! What the hell?
Mac, what's going on?
Wait. Okay, I'm good, but the police truck got a floodlight on me and I started losing control of my car.
You okay?
Yeah, that down to an overpass. Looks like that stopped you. Careful, guys. What's that spotlight?
Guys, whatever happened to Mac was coming from the chopper. Stay the hell away from it.
Smelling westbound approaching Silver Rock East.
Damn it!
Jess?
Sorry, I'm okay. Just made it through a barricade. Close one.
Air 7 to control. I got a beat on one of the subject vehicles. Initiating Skyhammer.
Damn it, the chopper's on me now and he's messing with my car. I gotta get out of that spotlight.
Get to the roundabout by the construction yard. I'll catch you there. Hurry up, Ty. That chopper's gonna shut you down.
Come on, come on.
At the construction yard. I got you.
Anytime now. Mac? Car's down. Mac?
Hey, ugly!
Over here! I'm back online. I'm getting out of here. I owe you one back.
Executive decision. We need to get out of the city. The cops aren't playing games anymore.
You're right. We got a bolt.
I'm headed down the spillway. Chopper won't be crazy enough to follow me, will he?
Air 7, why aren't you following that car?
No can do. Spillway's too narrow for my legs.
Shame. I'll have to call up the police chief, see if he can get someone actually qualified.
No, I can handle it, man.
That's what I thought.
Navarro?
Are you really that surprised?
If she's pulling the strings, then get ready for this to get real ugly.
Now heading southbound approaching Mario.
Can't take this much longer. Gotta get to Jess. Come on!
You're almost there.
Coming in hot. Jess, get ready. Clear. Jess?
Watch and learn, boys. There. Should give you some breathing room.
Does hyperventilation count as breathing?
Meet you outside the city and stay safe.
We're way past safe. It's like the entire goddamn force is out for blood tonight. You'd think we were criminals or something.
Jess,
I mean, real criminals. Is that your best shot?
Provide a location update. Now heading southbound through Lakeside. Copy.
Damn it, they got Lakeside on lockdown too. I'll try to lose them in the alleys.
at least the chopper can't follow you there.
Even the gambler wouldn't bet on that.
Air 7, you're out of excuses. We'll stay on that car.
But man,
The house will be watching. You don't follow that car, you better find a different city to live in.
Jesus, this guy's insane.
Let me guess. He followed you into the alleyway.
But he won't get a beat on me.
Something to see the vehicle? Now heading northbound on Coolidge Street. Copy 1 out of 6.
813, we're gonna need to tow. Our vehicle isn't moving.
All right.
On the Beltway, where are you guys?
Heading south.
Same here.
New game plan. Let's meet on the 620. It's under construction, ton of equipment. Let's wreak havoc and block our escape point.
Let's do it.
Northwestbound on Silver Rock Beltway.
Get ready, guys. Feels like I got half of the Silver Rock police force on me.
I'm bringing the other half.
And I got the chopper. You both...
This is more like it. Duking out as a crew.
If we go down, We go down together.
No way. We're getting out of here.
Kill switching suspect vehicle.
Jets, updated plan, please.
Tunnel's coming up. It'll break line of sight with the chopper. Then we make a break for the desert.
Do not lose them or it's your head.
She's not going anywhere.
Almost at the tunnel. I've got to lose that chopper.